Hey Kenzie, motorbike, supercross bikes, just getting through here. Yeah, I guess today I'm just gonna be doing the same thing again today. Just look at stuff and see if I can get some stuff and parts. And just start looking for a dirt bike and then get parts for it too. If it doesn't run right, you get parts for it and whatnot, or what have you and whatnot. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna be doing here today is look at dirt bikes and parts. Or just maybe dirt bike parts, or the parts that you would need in order for it to make it run right and properly and run smooth and whatnot. That's what I'm gonna be doing here today is looking at dirt bike parts. Gonna be looking at dirt bike parts. So I'm just waiting to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today. Alright. And then I guess I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? Alright. See ya.